Hi, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness and pharmaceutical sciences. Today we are going to discuss about what is the difference between serum and moisturizer. Serum is a high concentration of active ingredients such as antioxidants, vitamins, peptides and brightening agent. It is a special formulation which can penetrate deeply into the skin faster and absorb quickly. Usually, serum is a water-based formulation. Adding a serum to your daily skincare routine can help to improve the appearance of your skin. Serum will give you enough hydration that you won't even need a moisturizer. However, for those who are suffering from dry skin, the right serum and moisturizer combo can help all the difference. There are few rules to follow. Serum is usually a very light lotion. This means usually 2%, maximum 4% fats, typically fluid. It has a high concentration of active ingredients. It does not have to be heated. Serums are used to address a variety of skincare issues. Serums tend to be more expensive than other skincare products, but they are full of potent ingredients and little goes a long way. Example, anti-aging serum, skin brightening serum, acne prevention serum. Serums are clear, gel-based liquid and they tend to be less thick than a moisturizer. They are typically applied before moisturizer to help look in moisture. Often, serum is able to hydrate more effectively than even the heaviest cream. Protect your skin from free radicals and future damage. Serums with ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid and green tea, resveratrol, acetone help prevent oxidative damage from ultraviolet UV light and pollution, which can lead to premature skin aging and wrinkles. Serums are typically thinner and lighter than moisturizer and have wide variety of function. Typically, serums have active ingredient in them and you want to penetrate deeply as possible into the skin. Moisturizers are thicker, creamier than serums. They mean to hydrate the skin and prevent water loss. Both serums and moisturizer offer beneficial moisture to the skin. However, they do so in own unique way. Serums work from both deep within the layers of skin, while moisturizer lock in moisture from the outermost layer. Serums and moisturizer help the skin in different ways. A moisturizer has a large molecule than a serum. This means moisturizer usually won't penetrate the skin as deeply as quickly as serum. Moisturizers are thicker and creamier serums. They are meant to hydrate the skin and prevent water loss. Some moisturizers have added anti-aging ingredients, so they do double duty for the skin. But in order to really address a difficult skincare problem like sun damage, you will want to combine your moisturizer with a quality serum. Bottom line, there is a double-edged sword. This is a double-edged sword. If you are looking for strong effects, you should rely on your serum. But if you are looking for continuous hydration, that your moisturizer works. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Pharmaceutical Concept. Please consider for subscribing our channel, Pharmaceutical Concept, for regular updates. Thank you.